I might as well show what I'm doing real quick as it's getting dark. So I'm just making one good out of two. So this one's all busted right here and up top, and this one's just got, it's down here. So I'm gonna cutting this off now, right, with these cut off wheels and the Dremel. This is a good. This is actually a really good Dremel. I got this cheap. The problem is you have to get. When it comes to these, you gotta get a good kit, because this kit that I've got with it, that came with it, is pretty crappy. But it's getting the job done. But like this got bent, and I had to go downstairs and straighten it. So I'm gonna put another one of these on, and then we're gonna finish cutting this. Safety glasses are on. Because believe me, if that thing flies off of there at the speed it's going, it'll take your eye out, no problem. And then I've got this, I've got plastic repair kit. That's the idea. So this way I'll be able to make one good one out of two. I might have to go a little further over here. See, it's cracked right there. I might have to go right to here. And straight down, and then here, straight down. And then cut that good piece right out of that one. Up in there it goes, and then I've got a hang on, let me grab it. Yeah, so it's basically a plastic welding kit, and it'll allow me to bond that piece of plastic to the other piece of plastic using these things, basically. And you just basically gluing it back on. And I got some screen here, I guess, if you want to use screen material, or yeah, I think this is for keeping it flush. Oh yeah, because that's shaped like that. But anyway, we're gonna give it a shot, because you want to take a guess how much this hood's worth? Oh, you got your guesses in? $300. Yep. $300 used like that if it wasn't broken. Now, that was with this also inside of it, not broken. I have this one, it's missing that piece of the plastic. Hopefully he doesn't actually need this part, he just needs the good hood that I'm gonna have for him. So if he needs this, this is the best I got. I looked everywhere, I thought I had another one. I even think I had a good one at one point. Who can remember for sure, but I thought for sure I had another one that was good. So that's what's going on here right now, just being creative, because I already sold it. I sold it and it wasn't even done yet, so just gotta make sure I get it right. Got these 3 mounts behind here, so you definitely got to get them. See, those are gone. It would have had nowhere to hook, so definitely got to make sure. And then, okay, so just make sure that's not interfering. Should be fine here. Yeah, it'll work. It'll work as long as I'm able to glue the other piece in. It'll be fine. So that's what's going on. I've just been really busy lately, so that's why there hasn't been as many videos. Fall is in full swing, and I've got that lawn vacuum right there. It's ready to go. These things are going for $949.99 or $949 at Home Depot, and it has a smaller engine now, a 163. This is the good old 190. You can't beat it. Look, it's brand. If I take the leaves off it, it's like brand new. For the price I had it on, you think it would have been gone already, but still having problems. It's the economy. So, but it'll go by the weekend for at least $350.